This is the Blue Streak magnetic sweeper comparison test. We've got one of the popular competitor models. You'll see this thing sort of branded by different companies. It's a well-known thing. You've probably seen it a couple times if you're looking for a magnetic sweeper. And then we've got the Scape series magnetic sweeper by Blue Streak. Now both of these are 20-inch sweepers in width. The reason why we're comparing the Scape to this one, our Scape obviously doesn't have clean off, but we don't have any of our sweepers with clean off that are this weak, so we can't really compare them. There's some of our sweepers with clean off just have too many features. It's not really a comparable test at all. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do a height pickup test with these two. We've gone ahead and we've removed the handles from both of them just so they'll stand upright on their own for this test. The handles aren't significant to the pickup height of these units. You see this one here has just been removed. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to start the sweeper pickup test at 2.5 inches. I'll show you the competitors at 2.5 and the Blue Streak Scape series at 2.5 inches. Now we've got two nails and we're going to orient them in the same direction and place them under each sweeper in the same manner every time. So we'll go ahead and start with the competitor. It snaps it up. And then we'll go to the Blue Streak with the same two nails oriented in the same direction. And it snaps them up. Then we'll go ahead and we're going to increase the height of each sweeper 1/4 inch. Now we'll verify the height of the competitors at 2 3/4. And the Blue Streak sweeper at 2 3/4. Now we'll go ahead and slide our nails under. Same two nails in the same orientation. And the same two nails in the same orientation again. Now you see the competitor sweepers already having a little bit of trouble, and we're only at 2 3/4 inches here. As I grabbed them, I sort of coaxed them on a bit. We'll try it again. There you go. Now we'll go ahead and we'll raise the sweepers another 1/4 inch. We'll verify the height of the Blue Streak sweeper at 3 1/4 inches.
3 inches.
At 3 inches, sorry, and we'll verify the competitor sweeper at 3 inches. And we'll go ahead with the competitor sweeper first. We've got the same two nails in the same orientation. And it's got one of them. You'll notice that the competitor sweeper makes a loud snapping sound. That's mostly just amplified by the very thin aluminum housing that they've used. We'll go do the Blue Streak sweeper. It seems to have a problem getting both nails. Okay, with a lot of coaxing they went on. Now we'll try the Blue Streak sweeper. Same two nails, same orientation. It seems to snap them up with no problem at all. Keep in mind that this Scape series sweeper is the same magnet and magnet housing that's contained in our Tundra series. We'll go ahead and we'll increase the height of both these sweepers 1/4 inch. And we'll verify the height, which will now be at 3 1/4 inches on the Blue Streak and the competitors. And now we'll go ahead and we'll slide our nails under the competitors. Same two nails, same orientation. You'll see that the nails don't seem to be affected at all by the magnetic field on the sweeper at this point. I'm trying to coax them on, they're not going on. So we'll move on to, actually we'll try it again. It doesn't appear to be working. So we'll go ahead and try the Blue Streak Scape series. Same two nails, same orientation. No problem at all. And now we'll go ahead and we'll raise the height of the sweepers a 1/4 inch again. So we'll verify the height of the competitor's sweeper at 3.5 inches. And the Blue Streak Scape series magnetic sweeper at 3.5 inches also. And we'll go ahead and we'll slide the nails under the Blue Streak sweeper. Now you see as it snaps them up with no problem with 3.5 inches, where the competitors was having problem when we were at the 3-inch height. We'll try the competitors now. There's absolutely nothing happening. We were able to get them on at the last height, but it was a pretty favorable test towards the sweeper. We'll go ahead and we'll raise the height of these another 1/4 inch. And we'll verify the height. We'll do the competitors at 3.25 inches. And the Blue Streak sweeper, Scape series, at 3 3/4 inches. Now make sure you keep in mind when you're buying your magnetic sweeper that lifting height is of the utmost importance if you're trying to pick up metal debris, because that's really displaying the size of the field and how strong the magnet is you're purchasing. We'll try the competitors. Now we know it just barely passed at 3 inches, so there's not much that's going to be happening here at 3 3/4. Now that that's failed, we'll do the Blue Streak Scape series sweeper. Same two nails, same orientation. You can see it snaps them up. We're at 3/4 inch higher than the competitor sweeper at this point. We'll go ahead and we'll raise the Blue Streak sweeper another 1/4 inch, because there's little point in doing the competitors now. We'll verify the height of the Blue Streak Scape series magnetic sweeper at 4 inches. And we'll slide the same two nails and the same orientation underneath. Now you can see the Blue Streak sweeper is having a little bit of trouble due to the fact that it is rated at 3 3/4 height, not 4 inches. And there you have it. The Blue Streak sweeper picked up at 3 3/4. The competitors picked up at 3 inches. It's quite a significant difference if you figure out the percentages. And we'd also like to point out that both of these sweepers do have height adjustability. There's 3 holes, 3 levels of adjustment on the Blue Streak sweeper. And there's a little slot to adjust on the competitor's model, although you can't see it. And the Blue Streak sweeper has a 3-piece, we call our mini Y-handle design that's on our smaller sweepers, our Tundra and our Scapes. Very sturdy. And the competitor sweeper just has a single 1-piece steel rod which connects to the sweeper in 1 point. And that's our sweeper comparison video.